Well, it was about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I went down to the kitchen and got some bread, milk, eggs, supply of ice. And they's out of bananas already. It's only Saturday. They don't get a new supply until Tuesday. Oh my. People have been eating a lot of bananas here. But anyway, what's with all the ice? Well, I like my drinks cold. And I use ice for my wrists, my neck, my back, my knees. Geez, this goes on and on. Ice therapy. Been doing it since 1968. Control the pain. So far, 2 nights, no sleep, whatever. Oh, dig this. Last night about 2 o'clock in the morning, I Googled, will high blood pressure cause pains? I said, sure will. And, I'm enduring high blood pressure. Check the mail today. No high blood pressure pills from the VA yet. Jeez. So anyway, got my ice, milk, eggs, bread. Who knows? Fried egg sandwich. A big, tall glass of ice milk. Later. Enjoy your day.